What's going on, dudes? It's your boy Andy Arts, and today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a perfect, absolutely perfect circle. There we go. Now let's go ahead and get started. So how do you draw a circle? Most people draw a circle just by using their wrist, right? They use their wrist hand movement, so they'll go like this, like right? They'll use their wrist, so they'll rely on the wrist. And really, best way to draw a circle is you're holding the pencil. Do not move your wrist, move your shoulder, right? Your shoulder. Let me show you. All right, so we're gonna go like this. I am moving my shoulder. Move your arm, not your wrist. Move your shoulder, not your wrist. See that? All right, let's do it again. Again, shoulder, shoulder, not the wrist. Okay, shoulder, shoulder, not the wrist. Here we go. Right, and I'm just going over and over. Right, see that? Perfect circle. The problem is that your wrist kind of like wobbles too much, right? And then the way that your shoulder is built, it creates this more like perfect rotation, right? So, and then you can go ahead and draw your, your little anime heads here, right? You can draw your heads with these perfect circles. All right, let's go ahead and do it again. So again, shoulder movement. Look at what you're drawing, shoulder movement. Look at what you're drawing. Look at what you're drawing. See? Again, so, and also if you're right-handed, it usually helps to move from left to right. So from left to right, left to right, right, left to right, left to right. Right, left to right, again, left to right, left to right. You can press a little harder too, right? You can press a little harder. I'm gonna go over here. I'm running out of space. I'm gonna go over here now. So again, left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. There we go. Perfect circles. Right, and those are the basic rules of drawing a perfect circle. It's really not it's not that difficult. Anybody can do it. It's just that most people just use their wrist to go like this, right, instead of like moving their whole shoulder. So keep that in mind. And if you like this tutorial, I know it was pretty simple how to draw a circle, but if you like this tutorial, make sure to like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see everybody in the next video. It's your boy Andy Arts. Godspeed. Subscribe to the channel.